We're going to try and just stay in this area here. There's a railroad trail that we're going to go a portion of and then come back and then maybe stop down here at the Hoover area. Let you know?
Well, the entire depth of the dam is over 1,050 feet. So the levels have dropped close to 800 feet. So the depth of the water now is just down to about 150 to 200 feet. So it's a major problem. It's taking a major dip. So if it gets down to a certain level, the dam is not able to produce power. There's not enough energy pushing the water to produce power. So that's a major issue, and they've got to address that.
The view starts at the River Mountains, Pyramid Island, moves over to Saddle Island, just passing Boulder Beach. You have Black Island, you have Calville Mesa, Muddy Mountains, and down in front of us is the Hemingway Harbor, which we stopped at earlier, the Marina, Boulder Islands, Black Mountains, Sentinel Island. Alright, we're along one segment of a 30-mile long network of railroads. They were built in 1931 to get all the materials to Hoover Dam. The weather around here changes pretty quick. The wind has picked up.
It's cooled down significantly since we started this hike.
Yeah.
And it got windier.
So,
Are you glad now I talked you into hat and gloves?
oh yeah, I had my hat and gloves. I had to talk you into it,
Yeah.
if I remember correctly.
Well, I would not think it would be. It's probably hasn't got above 52 degrees, I'm guessing, since we started.
And we went about 1.8. We're going to go ahead and turn around after Tunnel 3. We've seen a lot of the lake already. And, hey, we'll see what we can see on the Hoover Dam side. You know a little bit more about that side.
It's nice, very scenic. So I want to try and hit it before we get any rain. We'll see if we get any rain.
Welcome to Hoover Dam. This is where everyone stops. We're going to go up to the bridge.